Okay, we are 100% complete with our install, and I want to take you through a couple of things of what we do at the end of every HVAC install and just overall what everything is. So here is your refrigerant lines. This is your exhaust lines for our high efficient furnace. If you see here, nice, neat, and clean like always. This is our power feed going into the unit. These are our communication wires. This is for the nice Nest thermostat we installed. We are a Nest dealer. This is the communication wire to the outdoor AC. All of those nice, neat, and clean. But now for the testing. So we're testing our air temperatures and make sure that this furnace is working right. We're going to do the same with the AC. We have a 52.6 degree delta T. That's a temperature split. So that's the difference in temperature between the return air and the supply air. It's really critical that we measure that. The other thing that we measure is airflow. So we know that this system is working at 0.5 static pressure when the fan is on high. So this is perfect. We've got it dialed in absolutely perfect. These are our pressure probes and what they look like. So this is really important that we dial, or I call commission, this system right to ensure that you get the best product every single time when we leave. Making sure that airflow is critical. So now, let's take a look at the filter. This will shut the unit down. There's our filter. We always do really tight, neat filter housing so that there's no way unfiltered air gets through. And it pulls out like a cabinet drawer. But anyways, we're going to test the AC functions, and then we should be good to go once the city gets here to give us the approval. All right, this is Lawrence with D Hart Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. You guys have a good one.